Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Leo1469. Today we are at Farm Villa, which is located in Panchavadi Beach, Kerala. Farm Villa offers an amazing experience to visitors who are interested in animal interaction. Opening hours are from 10:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. The entrance fees to the farm is very reasonable at 150 rupees per person. You get to hold and experience a variety of animals, birds, cats, snakes and reptiles like iguana. The farm also allows you to touch, hold and feed these animals. This makes it more special for young ones to have hands-on experience. If you are traveling with family and friends, this is the best place to be. You will easily spend solid 1 to 2 hours inside this place. So if you're around Guruvayur or Chavakkad, don't miss this place. Continue watching the video, and if you like my content, hit that like button. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.